If you scroll past this, you're literally throwing away $8 every time you eat dinner this week. This meal costs $4, feeds 6 people, and I'm not gatekeeping the recipe anymore. This is a $20 restaurant quality meal made with pantry staples. High protein, 1 pot, and it'll taste better than anything you can order out. And here's the crazy part. Each bowl has 18 grams of protein, 0 cholesterol, and only costs 73 cents per serving. I did the math, so you don't have to. Let me show you how fast this comes together. Here's what you need. Pause the video if you want to screenshot this. This is where most people mess up vegan stews. They skip building flavor at the beginning. Don't do that. Here's a hack that makes this stew taste like it's been simmering for 3 hours when it only takes 25 minutes to make. I add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and a splash of soy sauce to give it that depth of umami flavor, and it only costs 10 cents. Bring this to a boil, then drop it to low and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. I know that sounds like a long time, but this is the moment where the lentils soften and the potatoes start breaking down. If you're loving these budget-friendly meals, you'll definitely want to check out my brand new Plant Some Pennies meal plan. It's packed with affordable, delicious recipes just like these, all for under $5 total. I break down the cost, give you meal prep tips, and even show you how to turn leftovers into brand new meals so nothing goes to waste. You can grab it right now through the link below and start saving money while eating plant-based. Real quick, if you made it this far, you're clearly serious about eating good food on a budget. Drop a soup emoji in the comments so I know who to make the next $5 budget meal for. Okay, now back to the stew. This is what makes it silky and comforting without any dairy. Stir in your coconut milk and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Look at this texture. Thick, creamy, and comforting. And the whole pot costs only $4.35. Now let me break down exactly how much this costs because I promise you transparency. That's 73 cents per serving. Compare that to any restaurant stew and you just saved about $20. And every bowl has 18 grams of plant-based protein. This isn't just budget friendly, it's actually good for you. And here's the best part, this tastes even better the next day. So if you're meal prepping for the week, you just want a free Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday dinner. If you screenshot the cost breakdown and actually make these recipes this week, post them in the community tab. I'm reposting every one because I want to see how much money we are saving together. And if you want another $5 dinner that's even easier than this, that video drops next Sunday. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.